I'm so excited to be working with Sit and Sew Fabrics to share with you the Rainbow Kaleidoscope Block of the Month. You can see behind me here is our yellow and gray version, which was called the Sunshine and Shadows Block of the Month. And we've reimagined this quilt using fat quarters in a rainbow of colors. So each month will be black, white, and a color, and we'll work our way through the rainbow to make all 12 of these blocks and make a gorgeous rainbow hued quilt. So you can purchase the kit at sitandsewfabrics.com. It's the Rainbow Kaleidoscope Block of the Month kit, and that comes with the fabric you need to make the quilt top, plus the border and binding fabric. And then each month you'll receive instructions for making that particular month's block, and that you'll also get the link to the video tutorial so you can sew along with me as you put your block together. You can see we've got a whole rainbow of step-by-step instructions to help you make the quilt. If you're on social media, I hope you'll follow along there as well. You can find us on Facebook at Sit and Sew Fabrics and Instagram using the handle Sit and Sew Fabrics. And we'll be sharing the block there each month, and feel free to tag us in your project, and also use the hashtags Rainbow Kaleidoscope BOM and Rainbow BOM so we can all follow along. It'll be a fun year.